Clean Capsule. Clean Capsule is just like the as it were convenient inflator you ever require. The inflator is little sufficient to fit in your stash and vigorous adequate to blow up nearly anything. You'll utilize it to air up the level on your bicycle, cruiser, or your car. You'll expand any object up to 150 psi with its one-click essential operation. There are 4 distinctive modes to select from, so you may continuously have the correct instrument for the work. It also has a flashlight and an LCD to keep it together with your enunciation weight. The capsule battery is vast sufficient to discuss up to 4 diverse car tires, 8 cruiser tires, 28 bicycle tires, or 50 basketballs. Get one presently and say farewell to the ancient ways of blowing up tires. Rotablade Pendulum. The original one-of-a-kind Wriggles toy ever, based on the twofold pendulum and arbitrary movement hypothesis. It implies the developments are one-of-a-kind and take after diverse ways each time you turn. The methods of wriggling with this wriggle spinner are unending. You'll flick it, let it drop an angle, adjust flat whereas minor developments make huge eccentric comes about. Create perpetual turns by ceaseless movement, turn one or both arms, and numerous more. Complete stainless steel construction machined grips and components, not easy to break when falling off. 2 hybrid ceramic precision bearings are used in the pendulum design. This gives ultra-smooth spins and frictionless rotation. Appropriate for grown-ups and kids over 10, a long-time ancient, and the excellent high-quality retail bundling included makes our wriggle spinner the perfect display for any family part or your companions. MetaFly. This drone is one of the coolest drones right now you can buy from the market. This French company makes drones looks like animals, such as a bird. It's high-tech and super hard to see in the sky. You can connect this drone with Bluetooth, and you can control it with your smartphone's help. This drone is super lightweight, and you can fly for hours. They are very durable and can last several years. It's super easy to use, almost anyone can control it. This French company is making this kind of unique drone every year. You can buy it right now from Amazon. Glamos. With this new innovative device, you can turn any surface into a touchscreen. You can set up Glamos with any device on your home. It pairs with Bluetooth for wireless operation. It also connects with a projector and turns into a touch screen. You can also use this for your office work, make a slideshow, and for presentation. It's easy to use. Since the device is portable, you can take it anywhere you want. You can take it to a coffee shop. The best time to use this device while drinking coffee and enjoying your article. You can hook it up with any old gadgets and make their screen touchable. There's so much you can do with Glamos, and it's available right now. Reevo. Hubless e-bike. This eye-catching e-bike offers 750 watts of control, around 500 watt-hours of battery, a long list of flawless gadgetry, and an impossible-looking combination of hubless wheels you'll jab your arm right through. On the other hand, hubless wheels have fundamentally one reason in this application: to see incredible. The bike is rechargeable. It can be a ride as a regular bike or an e-bike. So you don't have to worry about your battery running low. It's packed with countless modern system, such as a theft system, so you don't need to worry about your bike getting stolen. You can unlock your bike with a fingerprint or a mobile app. It also has a built-in GPS so that you can track your bike all the time. With the help of a smartphone, you can unlock your bike anywhere so that your friends and family members can also use it. Scewo Bro. If you are a wheelchair user and want to expand your freedom, Scewo Bro is the right thing for you. This excellent wheelchair can give your life back while remain seated. It has an incredible mechanism system where you can go up and downstairs. If you can't, grab things from your shelf. Maybe it's a bit high, no problem. It can also lift you to reach those places which are hard to get. You can control this chair with a joystick like standard wheelchair. With this chair, you can go up to 25 km per hour and with speed to 10 km per hour. The chair is collapsible and easily rechargeable. You can also fold it in your car with ease. LaserPecker 2. LaserPecker 2 includes effective highlights at the side, simple to utilize interface to form laser etching, reasonable and straightforward for tenderfoots, specialists, and experts alike. The smooth, compact, plug-and-play device sets up in seconds and works with a smartphone to exchange pictures and start etching with a fair couple of clicks. Featuring a super-fast preview speed of 3,750 mm per second, its potential is obvious. The industrial-grade completely advanced Galvano filtering framework ultimately underpins square and realistic C, making the situating much less demanding, more exact, and automatic. Much obliged to the 5-watt semiconductor laser with the updated form of compressed spot innovation, you'll be able to have a better standard and more effective laser cutting with LaserPecker 2. Wood, paper, acrylic, calfskin products with a thickness beneath 5 mm. The HyperCube. Are you looking for one of the most creative pieces of furniture for your house? Look no further. HyperCube is filled with lights, gives you the feel of staying at the bar with friends. HyperCube is filled with full of RGB lights. You can change the color of the cube with the help of the app. It connects with your smartphone through Bluetooth. Consonant, symphonic, electronic. Visualize and get misplaced in your music like never sometime recently with over 30 unique sound-responsive designs. Uncommonly planned to work with any theme. These designs utilize a mouthpiece to analyze melodic lows, mids, and highs to make an unbounded ultra-responsive audio-visual assortment. TickTIme. TickTIme is a smart little device which can help you manage your time. This device is filled with different times, which can be set up in just 1 second. TickTIme makes strides in your concentration and capacity to urge things done more proficiently. TickTIme fortifies your determination to do something and increments your sense of achievement. You'll utilize TickTIme to rapidly set the length of one diminutive, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes. While you're still tweaking your ancient clock, somebody else may have as of now completed a set of activities. If you reached this part of this video, why don't you give a thumbs up and subscribe? Also, check out these videos? You will enjoy it for sure.